Hello. Yesterday was a very busy day. I helped my kids with their homework. My daughter wrote an essay about First World War. My son answered 20 math questions. I forgot to bring my calculator, and someone stole my wallet when I was in the grocery store. All of these examples were in the past simple. So why do we use the past simple? We use the past simple when we talk about something that started and finished in the past. So, for example, I watched TV at 3 o'clock. So here's now, and here is the past, and that's 3 o'clock. So maybe now is 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and so on. So, as you can see, the speaker started and finished watching TV in the past. The action started and finished in the past. We use the past simple to talk about actions that ended in the past. For example, I ate yesterday, I sent the email, I drank coffee an hour ago. So we use expressions like last night, yesterday, and ago in order to express the past tense. How do we form the past tense with regular verbs? So most verbs end with ed in the past. So talk, talked, laugh, laughed, start, started, wash, wash. These are all regular verbs because they end with ed in the past. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are verbs that do not end with ed. So they do not end with ed, and they also end in different ways. So, for example, drive in the past is drove. Feel in the past is felt. Put in the past is put. Swim in the past is swam. So let's look at this exercise. It was going to rain, so... Okay, so what is the past of take? Yes, took. So I took my umbrella. The movie was very fantastic. So what's the past of enjoy? It is a regular verb, so yes, enjoyed. I enjoyed it very much. I knew Sarah wasn't very busy, so, okay, what is the past of call? Correct. So I called her. The kids finished their homework. So they, what is the past of go? Yes, went. So they went to bed early. So here are the answers. It was going to rain, so I took my umbrella. The movie was very fantastic. I enjoyed it very much. I knew Sarah wasn't very busy, so I called her. The kids finished their homework, so they went to bed early. So take and go are irregular verbs. Take will be took, go will be went. Enjoy and call are regular verbs. They end normally with ed. Okay, negation. Negation means adding not. So we use the auxiliary verb didn't. Of course, did is the past of verb to do. So we always use didn't, did plus not. So the formation will be subject, did not, plus the verb in the base form. So subject, she, then the auxiliary plus not, did not or didn't, and the verb in the base form. So she didn't do her homework. Another example, they didn't like him. Now let's do some exercises. It wasn't going to rain, so I not take my umbrella. So what do you think? I is the subject. So what should we put after the subject? Yes, didn't. And the base form of the verb. And then we complete the sentence. So it wasn't going to rain, so I didn't take my umbrella. Number 2. The movie was very boring. I not enjoy it. So what is the correct answer? Okay, so we put didn't and the base form. I didn't enjoy it. I knew Sarah was very busy, so I didn't call her. The kids didn't finish their homework, so they, what do you think? Yes, they didn't go to bed early. So here are the answers. It wasn't going to rain, so I didn't take my umbrella. The movie was very boring. I didn't enjoy it. I knew Sarah was very busy, so I didn't call her. The kids didn't finish their homework, so they didn't go to bed early. Now we move on to talking about the questions. These questions are the yes or no questions. So basically, we use or we put did at the beginning of the sentence, followed by the subject, followed by the verb in the base form. So, for example, she went to school yesterday. She went to school yesterday. Okay, we have the verb went, and it's in the past. So in order to create questions about the past, we have to make use of verb to do in the past, which is did. So we put the auxiliary verb or the helping verb did at the beginning, followed by the subject, which is she, followed by the verb in the base form. So did she go to school yesterday? Okay. So let's look at some exercises. Make questions from the following sentences. I went to school. So what do you think? Okay, we know that went is the past of go, and we know that we need the help of the auxiliary verb, which is did. So did you go to school? Okay, so the question will be, did you go to school? Okay, I had a great time with my friends. Had is the past of have. So in order to create a question, we need the help of the auxiliary verb, did. So did you have? So had will be have in the base form. So did you have a great time with your friends? Of course, when we change the pronoun, we have to change all the other kinds of pronouns. Did you have a great time with your friends? I drove yesterday to the park. Did you drive yesterday to the park? Okay, so these are the answers. I went to school. Did you go to school? I had a great time with my friends. Did you have a great time with your friends? I drove yesterday to the park. Did you drive yesterday to the park? So you need to make sure that you are using verb to do in the past when you are negating the sentences or when you are making questions. This is very important. This is very important. So I hope that you understood this lesson, and next will be the quiz. Okay, thank you.